This is video how to replace the heating sensor. Okay, first of all, how connecting wire. It's these three, these two direction doesn't matter. So basically red here, either blue to either one. So second question, how to take it out. If we can look carefully, it's just like that. Okay, let me show you again. So push it back. Turn out. Okay, if you look at here, you can see there is a little mechanism, little hook. So you push in, turn, then it's locked here. Okay, so that's how you change it, how you take it out, how you change it. Okay, so just turn and locked, turn, locked. Okay, you do not need to take this whole thing out. This is some other stuff to adjust the distance, but generally it's not about this video. This video is about how to take it out, and you can change it, and then connect the wire like that.